How to disable WordPress plugins using cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Right now I am inside my cPanel right here, and all you have to do is to navigate through the file manager. Inside file manager, you want to click on the public HTML, and from here you then want to click on WP content. Inside, you can then go ahead and see the plugins folder, and from here we can then go ahead and see all of the plugins that we have installed into our website. If you want to go ahead and disable these plugins, you can just go ahead and rename this specific plugin in order to disable them, and from there WordPress won't be able to read all of this folder because you have renamed them, making it disabled plugin. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.